This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Susan LaGrotta. The Flamingo House in Riverwood of Naples, over 55 community. With Gulf access via community boat ramp. Best of both worlds Gulf access / own the land plus low HOA. Spacious single-family manufacture home, turnkey furnished, with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, living room, dining room, family room, wet bar, screened-in lanai plus storage and carport. Pet-friendly. Boats on trailers allowed parked under carport. Private pool club membership transfers to new owners. Whether you boat or fish, Riverwood community provides access to a private fishing dock and boat ramp with a 20-minute boat ride to the Gulf of Mexico via Rookery Bay under one bridge. For more information, review the details below or contact Susan LaGrotta at 239-438-7776.